Children and young people under 18 years old get placed in these secure settings for two main reasons. They either enter through the justice system and through criminal justice legislation, or they enter through child protection legislation. Both boys and girls entering these estates have higher exposure to multiple kind of traumatizing childhood adversities before they come in. But studies also tell us that girls' pathways into these settings are particularly characterized by experiences of trauma related to sexual abuse and often repetitive sexual exploitation and violence. That period, 2017 to 2020, there were around 600 girls who were newly placed or came into the estate through those different routes. 372, so nearly 400, were actually placed during that period on a welfare placement, which is that child protection legislation route. And 152 were in a secure training centre through the justice route. And then the final 100 were in a secure children's home. Girls from racialised communities are significantly overrepresented. We really underestimate the terrifying feeling that they experience when they move into some of these secure children's homes, and they talked about being anxious and petrified and nervous when they first arrived. Many of the girls that Leaders Unlocked spoke to talked also about really the significant sort of mental health impact of being in secure units for them. So they talked about low mood and depression and self-harm as well. And they also talked about sort of how they needed to put on masks to survive in those settings. The Out of Sight report calls for earlier intervention to support girls who faced trauma and adversity particularly, and for more of that sort of wraparound and gender responsive, community-based alternatives to placing girls in secure settings.